Hello everyone. Further here again with the help of these sheets, you have to make the cutouts in this way. You have to make the layer in this manner and then the face of a frog. Then get the eyes pasted and here you have to make the mouth and all and then put a cellophane sheet in this manner and cover it like this. Then you have to cut it in this way. Further on the back you have to paste a balloon like structure and get them made like this. You have to paste it in this manner and then put it inside. This is cool, right? Make a crown as well for the king frog. Cute. Here again you have to get the holes inside a cup like this and get inside a plastic cup and get these sticks again and you have to arrange it in a pattern. You have to just join them together and get them arranged similarly as we have done previously and get them beautifully made like this. Further you have to get the face of a Peppa Pig and paste it on the top of it. Then you have to make the hands and all and get this pretty face ready. Cool, right? Now here you have to get the cellophane sheet over a tape like this and then you need to color it further in this manner. And now what are we gonna do? You just have to get them beautifully colored and then these are the baby styles. This is cute, right? Thank you guys.